Welcome to section 5 of Make My Sitting template. This is the tail part of section 4. In the previous section, we have seen how to use the offset formula and we have designed for the department 1 name. So now we are going to do it for the rest of the department for the sake of name and also the sake of hall ticket number. Let's get into it. Before copying this sheet, which is for department 1 name, let's make sure that you have locked all the references, column references, so that it may not change when you copy it from this place to next columns. So add a dollar symbol before all the column references, that is A, B, C, D and so on. So the only difference between the department 1 and for the department 2 is first is the B2. So for the department 1 it is a CSE and all the values are from the column row 2. So when you come to the second department, all the values are from row 3. Next, the name list. For the department 1, the name list is at B column and for the department 2 it is at F column. So that are the things going to be changed, so on. So we want to change only those things by just copy this from the department 1 name and just copy it to department 2 and change that reference alone. First of all, I am going to change the $2 to $3 for the department 2. Don't press escape, again press paste. So it will paste from the first department, so you can change it easily. Now I am changing it to $4. So I changed it for the third department, and for the fourth department it will be $5. Again press Ctrl V, paste and change it to 5. Like this I can change the reference for the each department in this way. Now the first thing is O for all the 7 departments. The second thing is change the reference of the name list temp. So the temp name list B3 is for the first department. So I am going to change it for the other departments based on the reference. For the first it is B and for the second department it is F. For the third department it is J, so I want to change the reference to J. So let's now switch over to the hall ticket number. Now we have changed all the references. Now let's check whether the given formulas are right and is it get tallied with the values we entered in the seating page. 6, 1, 1, 3 and 3, and in hall 7 it is 5 and 5. For the first department it is right. So let's go to the next department. So when I go like this I cannot check it because it also gets hidden. So what to do? Let's use the freeze command. Go to view, freeze pans. No, now I can freeze it so that it will not change. So now check the second department. First hall 5 and here it is 5. For the second hall 4 and it is 4. So we are right and it get tallied. So next go to the third department and check it. It is 5 in the first hall and it is 5, get tallied, and in the second hall it is 2 and we are right. Like this, check all the names in all the departments. And we are checked and all the things get tallied, so we are right and we are in the right path and all our formulas were correct. So let's see in the next section. Until then, goodbye.